Emma is 16 years old. She lives in a small town with her mother and little brother, Jack. Emma has brown hair and green eyes. She likes books and music. Every morning, she wakes up at 7 a.m. She eats breakfast, goes to school, and meets her friends. In the afternoon, Emma comes home, does her homework, and watches TV. She likes science fiction movies. One day, after dinner, Emma sits in her room. She listens to music on her phone. Suddenly, she hears a ding sound. Emma picks up her phone. There is a new message. It says, "I am you. I am Emma from 2035. Don't delete this message." Emma is very confused. She thinks, who is this? Is this a joke? This is not funny. She types, "Who are you?" The person replies, "I am you, Emma. I am 26 years old now. I live in the future, in 2035. Emma laughs. Time travel is not real, she says to herself. But she feels strange. Her heart beats fast. She does not delete the message. Emma sits on her bed. She looks at her phone. She types. "Prove it. Tell me something about me." The person replies, "Your best friend is Lily. You have a small dog named Max. You hate math class, and you love chocolate ice cream." Emma's eyes open wide. This is true, she thinks. She asks, "What do you want?" The person writes, "Emma, I need your help. There is danger in 2035. A big company will make a dangerous machine. It will hurt many people. You must help me stop it." Emma feels scared. She writes, "What can I do? I am only 16. The person says, "Tomorrow, go to Greenfield Park at 4 p.m. You will see a man in a blue jacket. He has a notebook. That notebook has important information. Take a photo of the notebook and send it to me." Emma thinks, this is crazy. But what if it is true? What if people are in danger? Finally, she writes, "Okay. I will do it." The next day, Emma goes to Greenfield Park at 4 p.m. She looks around. She sees children playing, old people walking, and a dog barking. Then, she sees a man in a blue jacket. He is sitting on a bench. He is writing in a notebook. Emma is scared. What if he sees me, she thinks. She walks slowly. She takes her phone. She takes a photo of the notebook. Click. The man looks up. Emma runs away fast. Emma is at home. She is breathing fast. Her hands are shaking. She sends the photo to the person. She writes, "I did it." Who is he? The person says, "He is the company's boss." Thank you, Emma. You saved many people. But I need more help now. Emma asks, "What help?" The person replies, "This time, you must come to 2035. Emma is shocked. She types, "How can I go to 2035? The person says, "Tonight, at 12 a.m., stand in front of your mirror. Close your eyes and say, 'I want to go to 2035. Emma is excited but scared. Will this really happen, she thinks. At 11:59 p.m., Emma stands in front of the mirror. Her heart is beating fast. At exactly 12 o'clock, she closes her eyes. She says, I want to go to 2035. Suddenly, everything goes dark. Then, she sees a bright light. When she opens her eyes, she is in an unknown place. Emma looks around. The buildings are very tall, and the lights are very bright. She sees flying cars. Wow, this is really 2035, she thinks. Then, someone calls her. Emma. You are here. Emma turns and sees herself. Emma from 2035 smiles at her. Welcome. We don't have much time. The company is still dangerous. The boss escaped and is making a new plan, says Emma from 2035. 16-year-old Emma is surprised. So, what will we do, she asks. We must find his secret lab. There is a machine there. This machine can control time, Emma from 2035 says. Control time? Yes, if he uses that machine, he can change the past. This is very dangerous, says Emma from 2035. The two Emmas get into a flying taxi. Please go to Techno City, says Emma from 2035. While the taxi is flying, Emma looks out the window. Everything is so different. People are talking to robots. Some people are riding flying skateboards. When they arrive at Techno City, they see a big building. The lab is here, says Emma from 2035. But the building is locked. How will we get in? Asks 16-year-old Emma. Emma from 2035 laughs and takes out a small device. This is a hacker device. It opens doors, she says. The door opens, and they go inside. They see a big machine in the lab. But the boss is there too. Ah, here you are. You are too late, says the boss. He starts the machine. But Emma does not stop. No. You can't do this, she shouts. 16-year-old Emma quickly runs to the machine and pulls the cable. The machine stops. The boss is surprised and runs away. After everything ends, Emma from 2035 says, Without you, I could not do this. Thank you, Emma. 16-year-old Emma smiles. You are my future. Helping myself is my job. Emma from 2035 says. Now it is time to go home. Use the same way. Look at the mirror and say, I want to go home. When Emma returns home, she wonders if everything really happened. But she finds a note next to her bed. Thank you, Emma. The future is safe now. Emma smiles and says, yes, it was real.